Instastock AI is a brand new software making waves in the world of digital marketing. And if you're wondering what this AI is all about and whether it's worth your time, stay tuned. In this Instastock AI review, I'll break down the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before jumping in. This is the best just released AI software that's taking automation to the next level. And the best part? You can try it completely free through the first link below, so stick around to find out how. Let's dive right into it. First, Instastock AI is designed to revolutionize how you manage your stock photo library. It uses advanced AI algorithms to help marketers, designers, and content creators quickly find, sort, and categorize high-quality stock images. This software takes the pain out of searching for images online by offering suggestions that fit exactly what you're looking for, based on your specific project needs. One thing that sets Instastock AI apart from other stock image tools is its smart tagging and categorization feature. It doesn't just show you images, it intelligently tags them, making them easier to search. Whether you're working on a marketing campaign or need visuals for a blog post, Instastock AI will present relevant images, saving you hours of manual sorting. The second key feature to note is the real-time image suggestions. As you type or describe what you need, the AI predicts and offers images that could match. This dynamic search process means you're not wasting time scrolling through endless galleries. Instastock AI learns from your preferences the more you use it, refining its suggestions to give you exactly what you need. If you're tired of using traditional stock photo sites with outdated filters, Instastock is a game changer. Third, let's talk about customization. Instastock AI allows you to fine-tune image results with filters tailored to your brand's needs. Want to narrow down by color palette, image orientation, or mood? You can do that. This makes it not only a faster tool, but a smarter one that aligns with your content style. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI software can be intimidating. But Instastock AI is surprisingly user-friendly. The interface is clean, intuitive, and designed for users at all levels. You don't need to be a tech expert to get the most out of this tool, which is a huge plus for busy marketers and content creators. Another thing worth mentioning is the pricing structure. While Instastock AI has several paid plans, you can actually start using it for free. That's right, you can try the software for no cost and test out its features before committing to a subscription. This gives you the opportunity to explore whether it fits your workflow, which is especially valuable in a time when so many tools require upfront payments. Instastock AI also integrates with various platforms like Adobe Creative Cloud and Canva. If you already use these tools for your design work, you'll be happy to know that Instastock works seamlessly with them, letting you export your chosen images directly into your projects without missing a beat. The final point I want to touch on is the growing community and ongoing updates. The team behind Instastock AI is actively improving the software with regular updates that enhance its capabilities. As it continues to evolve, you can expect new features like improved AI training and even more advanced image recognition. So, what's the verdict? If you're tired of wasting time sifting through stock images and want a tool that streamlines your design process, Instastock AI is a must-try. It's fast, easy, and incredibly effective at narrowing down your search results. Remember, you can try Instastock AI completely free through the first link below. And after testing thousands of AI tools, I've included my top recommended ones in the description as well. Tools that will save you time and elevate your digital marketing efforts. Check them out and thank me later.